Hey guys, welcome back to another product video. So on today's video, I'm going to be demoing this TOLRET Ratchet Rivet Nut Tool. I'm going to show you what's inside. So it comes with a nice case, heavy duty, and then it has a different rivet keys, as you can see right here. Here's the actual tool. It's nice and compact. And it comes with these extra rivet nuts. It's very nice. All different sizes. Let me show you how that you change the mandrels out. You first gotta unscrew this nut here. Once that comes out, you slide out this one. Then I'm gonna install the new one. Push it in, tighten the nut again, put it through the hole. So like that. I have my rivet nut here. You're going to screw that in. Then I have my metal piece. You're going to put it inside. Then you're going to flip the switch up. You know that it's tight enough, and then you just loosen the screw, bring it down, you just loosen it, and the screw comes off. You just loosen that, and you can see how well that this rivet is attached to this metal piece.